move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Coeur Dalene, local and long-distance movers near me. We will help you transport your belongings nationally, intrastate, or locally. We have a solid working relationship with the federal and municipal agencies in charge of the relocation process. We have insurance arrangements to protect our customers by covering risk both before and after the relocation. Our professional movers and drivers are dedicated to safely transporting your belongings to their final destination. We won't take advantage of you because all of our services are affordable. We have a team of expert movers and drivers dedicated to securely getting your items to their final location. We won't rip you off because all of our services are reasonably priced. It is less expensive to move your belongings locally than it is to move them long distances. Local moves cost $30 to $40 per hour, and we offer the most affordable rates. Our professional and dedicated local movers will provide you with good value for your money and follow your instructions and ideas. We're familiar with huge towns and urban locations. Therefore, we can transport your belongings without causing any problems. We have a wonderful team of local movers who are always willing to help you plan out your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coeur Dalene moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.